Anyway, they're like laughing, they're trying to quiet. You don't be quiet, you can talk, you can breathe, laugh, or whatever you want. So, have a rock. All I'm gonna say, get started count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it.
Cheers.
Alright. Listen. That's actually very good. Wow. Hey guys, it's a delicious tasting hot dog. It's an all beef hot dog. Okay, so one, two. Ooh, the fried toast is kind of sweet.
Yeah.
Like, not like sugar sweet, but like. Oh, wow. I like that. How long have you had these for?
Quite a while now. I think at least, I want to say 2020 or earlier than that, a little bit earlier than that. Some stores, mostly all stores offer it now.
Wow.
Like mobile stores, mobile locations as well.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Because I knew about beaver tails, like you have in the, the fried dough, like the dessert ones, which are delicious. I love fried dough. Like, don't feel like elephant ear, fried dough, beaver tail, same love. But I didn't even hot dogs.
Yeah,
this is awesome. I didn't even eat poutine.
Yeah, no one really knows about our
And you have ice cream.
Yeah.
You guys do everything, but dude, this is actually surprisingly good.
You're a one-stop shop for everything, right? You got it all. Breakfast, dinner, lunch.
You got it warm. Perfectly fried. And it's like, it's comforting. It's oddly weird because it's like so warm and like it's kind of, the dough's fluffy. It's not hard. Like, I'm surprised. What's very good? Your favorite dog?
I would say they're all really good. I enjoy them all. That was my favorite. I like it classic.
Yeah. It's actually delicious. Like, don't get me wrong. I don't want to say low expectations, but like moderate expectations. I'm super impressed with a beaver dog.
The sauerkraut one is pretty good too. Like I like sauerkraut a lot with regular hot dogs, and that one gets me pretty good. They're all really good.
I'll get that in a moment. Oh man. Alright. Now we'll try one of these one at it. Sauerkraut dog. Yeah. What you call the sauce in there again? Maple mustard or something?
It's I think it's maple Dijon mustard. Yeah, that's what it is.
It definitely has a maple flavor.
Yeah, maple's like the big Canadiana we have here, right?
But it's sweet and it's very creamy. It's oddly creamy. Like it's good, but I wasn't expecting it to be creamy.
Yeah. It's the maple Dijon with the chives kind of give that extra little bit of taste to it, but
Yeah, it almost reminds me like kind of like a mayo-ish sauce.
Yeah.
And then it goes with the sauerkraut because it's very like a little like acidic and then rich. Yeah, I wasn't expecting the maple mustard Dijon to be like creamy, but it is very creamy. Not bad, definitely. Ooh, compliments to the chef. Ooh, excuse me.
there you go.
Yeah, compliments, my friend. Very like compared to getting like ketchup mustard richness or acidity.
Yeah.
It's definitely very heavy, or like very rich. We like that rich mayo hot dogish kind of vibe. With maple.
We also got a maple beaver tail as well, so you got everything maple is pretty much here.
Everything.
Yeah.
And I saw you guys have Nanaimo bars, or Nanaimo Square kind of
Yeah.
beaver tail, which is interesting.
It's our limited time